Since signing content partnerships with OpenAI and Google, Reddit has become a crucial source of information for AI models. Using Reddit for SEO is not just a fad, it is now more important than ever to cultivate your presence. And I don't mean by upvoting the latest popular cat video. Hello again, Deji here, and today we are going to explore how you can use Reddit as a powerful tool for both traditional and AI SEO. We will cover why it has become so important and share a 4-step strategy to use Reddit for brand awareness. What makes Reddit so powerful comes down to two things: trust and training data. Think about how often you have Googled something like best new wireless headphones for running Reddit. You are not the only one who tags Reddit onto their searches for the most authentic answer. People trust Reddit discussions because they are full of real humans solving real problems, and they are not bloated with marketing copy. Google knows this, which is why Reddit threads are now dominating search pages and AI overviews. That's also why appearing in the right Reddit threads can go a long way for AI visibility. Appearing in these threads means you are teaching AI to start recommending your brand. And if you have watched our previous AI SEO videos, you know how important authenticity and natural language matter when it comes to AI. Reddit is an easy, accessible place to build that foundation. Before we get into the tactics, consider subscribing to Hosting Our Academy so you don't miss our upcoming videos covering the latest digital trends and especially our AI SEO series. Okay, let's get back to that 4-step strategy I promised you. The great thing about Reddit is that you don't need to be a huge business for it to work for your brand. 30 minutes a week is enough to start building real authority. Let me show you how. Before you can benefit from any conversations, you have to find them and understand the culture. A key part of this is understanding Reddit, the unwritten codes of conduct that emphasize respect and value in each subreddit. Each subreddit has its own rules, volunteer modes who enforce them, and a voting system. Some are more serious, while some subreddits allow for a bit more humor in their content. There are even subreddits that won't let you post until you have enough karma. So make sure you are engaging authentically right from the start to build up that karma. Tip number 1. You want to find and engage in subreddits that are relevant to your brand. You can start by searching within Reddit with your go-to keywords, but the real pros know how to use Google. Search site.reddit.com plus your keyword in quotations. This will generate all of the ranking discussions on Reddit for that topic, revealing the key communities you should be paying attention to. Do not just stick to your keywords. Think beyond your brand. If you created a project management app, don't just post it in Reddit Project Management. Your audience can also be found in small business and startups or productivity apps Reddits. Maybe it is even live pro tips. From there, start engaging in conversations and try to provide value. Answer questions, share expertise, and start building your karma. Your goal here is to be seen as an expert, not a salesperson. Remember that many subreddits have rules against shameless self-promotion, so save that for your social media or email newsletters. On Reddit, you are going to show off your expertise. Tip number 2. Now that you have found your Reddit community, it is time to start being strategic about where you engage. Instead of creating new posts and hoping they get discovered, engage with conversations that users and AI are already paying attention to. When you are browsing your subreddits, let's use Reddit Live Pro Tips as an example, sort by hot or rising to find the posts where you can make the biggest impact. These are posts that are gaining traction in the subreddit, but often don't have too many comments yet, giving you the opportunity to make a big impact with your expertise. You can also use SEO tools like Profound or Ahrefs, or just search for relevant keywords for your business to find Reddit threads that are already ranking on Reddit Popular. Your goal is to go into those threads and add the most definitive high-value reply. Correct misinformation, offer deep insights from your professional experience, and provide a comprehensive answer that truly helps. By making your reply the most authoritative one in a popular thread, you can directly influence future AI-generated answers on that topic. Tip number 3. So why spend time infiltrating other subreddits? Is it better to just create your own? If you already have a strong community, creating your own subreddit can be a powerful asset, but it is a huge commitment. Before you start, ask yourself, do I have the resources to actively moderate a subreddit? An unmoderated subreddit can quickly be filled with spam and end up damaging your brand. But if the answer is yes, you can create a branded hub for your most loyal customers. To do this, your account needs to be at least 30 days old with at least 50 combined karma points. Once you do start your own subreddit, you cannot just post links to your own site, as that goes against Reddit's self-promotion rules. This must still be a place for genuine community interaction, which means you cannot just delete posts from users that had a negative experience. For this tactic to work, your subreddit has to be a space for genuine community interaction. And the tip number 4, whether you created your own subreddit or you have already built a reputation on another site, there is a chance people are already talking about your business and your competitors. To help future-proof your brand, you are going to turn that feedback into a public demonstration of responsiveness. Take time to actively monitor Reddit for any mentions of your brand. When you find a complaint or negative comment, save the post and make a note of it. If it can be solved right away, then respond to the post with a solution. If it is a little bit more complicated, like a bug that needs fixing, save the original thread and go back to it once the issue has been solved by posting an update. This simple response does two powerful things. It shows the Reddit community that you are listening, and it turns a potentially negative data point for AI into a positive one. And while you are monitoring your own brand mentions, set up alerts for your main competitors too. You will uncover a gold mine of strategic insights like customer pain points, service gaps, and marketing intel. In a way, you will be using Reddit as a 24/7 focus group on your own product and your competition, ultimately allowing you to react faster and show AI that you are actively improving. So you're putting in the work, but how do you know if it is actually paying off? Measuring success on Reddit is not just about website clicks. You need to look at a mix of metrics. First, there are your own Reddit metrics. Look at your karma score. Is it steadily increasing? This is a direct measure of your credibility on the platform. Also, track the engagement on your comments and posts. High upvotes and meaningful replies show that your contributions are resonating with the community. If you have started your own subreddit, your key metrics are subscriber growth and the number of active users. Next, you have your off-Reddit or business metrics. This is where you track the real impact. And for this, you absolutely must use UTM codes on any link you share, whether it is in your profile or a relevant comment. This allows you to accurately track referral traffic from Reddit in your analytics. From there, you can see how many of those visitors convert into leads or customers. Over time, you can also monitor for an increase in your branded search volume on Google, which can be a great indicator of rising brand awareness. Finally, there are the qualitative metrics. This is about the strategic value you are getting. Track brand sentiment. Are people starting to recommend your business in comments? Is the overall tone of conversation about you positive? And track the number of actionable insights you have gathered. How many new product ideas or competitor weaknesses have you logged directly from your Reddit research? This turns conversations into a strategic roadmap. It is the combination of these metrics that gives you the full picture of your success. Now, let me break down your action plan. First, find your communities. Branch out and get creative. Do not stick to the obvious subreddits. Second, dedicate 30 minutes per week to engage in high visibility threads where you can add real value to the conversation. And finally, monitor your brand mentions and turn feedback into updates. That's all you have to do. Start small and stay consistent. Once you start driving this engaged Reddit traffic, you need a site that reinforces the expert reputation you are building. Whether you need managed WordPress hosting or want to build something with AI, we got you covered. So make sure to check the comments and find 10% discount code. SEO is not just about keywords anymore. It is about being a trusted voice in conversations that matter. Reddit is a direct line into conversation, but it is just one piece of the puzzle. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our video on Search Everywhere optimization, making your brand visible everywhere your customer is looking. Let us know in the comments if you are already using Reddit for your business, what is working and what is not. And if you want the full AI SEO series, check out the playlist right here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.